If you have never baked a cake before, don't worry. In this video, we shall learn a step-by-step process of making a basic eggless vanilla cake. Watch the video till the end for a super easy trick to get a flat cake. Let's begin with the step 1 of greasing a cake tin. This is a super important step and you should always ensure that your cake tins are ready even before you start preparing your cake batter. Grease the tin with some oil or butter. Ensure that the sides are coated very well. Place a parchment paper and apply some oil on top and dust this with maida. Ensure to spread across evenly throughout the tin and dust off excess. And set aside while we start making our cake batter. For that, in a bowl, add half cup curd, which is approximately around 125 grams, 1/4 cup oil, 50 ml, 2/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, which is 120 grams. Ensure you add powdered sugar and not granulated sugar. Whisk them well until everything is well combined. This is a super important step wherein we incorporate air into the batter. So whisk them well at least for about 2 or 3 minutes. Now place a sieve and add 1 cup cake flour, 120 grams. If you want to know how to make cake flour, link is in the description. 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon or a pinch of salt. Now sift them to incorporate air into the batter and remove any lumps. This is a super important step, especially for eggless cakes. 1/4 cup milk or coconut milk. I have used coconut milk just to add a flavor. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now mix all the dry ingredients with wet ingredients using the cut and fold method. At this stage, do not over mix your batter. This will lead to a denser and a heavier cake. If you feel there are any lumps, just run your whisk once or twice, but do not over mix at this stage. Ensure to mix only until you do not see any flour pockets into the batter. And look at the consistency. Once the batter is ready, it should look somewhat like this. Now comes the secret tip to get a flat top layer. For that, cut aluminium foil a little extra to the size of your cake tin. Soak some tissue paper or newspaper in water and lay it over the top of the aluminium foil. Now measure the size of the tin and fold the aluminium foil accordingly. Ensure to squeeze off excess water from the tissue paper, otherwise the aluminium foil will not stick to the cake tin. Now roll it across the tin as shown in the video and lock the ends over one another by folding the end of the aluminium foil. Even though after doing this step your foil does not stick to the pan, do not worry. Take a thick thread or a twine and tie that around firmly so that the aluminium foil sticks in place and does not move. Now pour the prepared batter in the cake tin. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Tap to remove any excess air bubbles. Be sure to preheat the oven when you start making the cake batter. A perfectly baked cake will leave sides once it's done, but be sure to do the toothpick test. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes and then flip it over in the wire rack. Look at that beautiful spongy texture and a flat top layer. If you like this recipe, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more such wonderful recipes and baking tips and tricks for all the beginners out there. Now click on either of the video playlists displayed on the screen and I will see you there in the next video.